Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable kayak fish finders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Garmin Striker 4 built-in GPS fish finder. This fish finder features a 3.5-inch screen size and a color display that makes it easy to read the data. It also features built-in GPS, high-sensitivity GPS, so you can track and mark your location or your fish location. The Keyed Assist interface is also made to be easy to use with dedicated keyed interface buttons and active imaging. Another of the key features of this kayak fish finder is that it has a 200-watt CHIRP transducer that can be mounted to your fishing kayak, and it can operate on dual frequencies, with dual beam CHIRP. A benefit of the Garmin Striker 4 is that it can work in both salt and freshwater, with a depth range of up to 750 feet in saltwater and 1,600 feet in freshwater. This can be an excellent fish finder if you're a kayak angler who likes to fish in a variety of environments. Note that you need a 12-volt battery to operate, and you may need a battery box. It comes with a fish finder mount included, but there is no side imaging on this model, and it doesn't have built-in quick-draw contours mapping. Number 2. Our second best pick is Deeper Pro Plus Smart Sonar Portable Wi-Fi Fish Finder. This is a versatile and portable kayak fish finder that can be a good choice if you're planning on fishing in a lot of different types of water. The best thing about it is that it comes in a small package that can connect to your phone or tablet via its own Wi-Fi signal, so it doesn't require an additional screen or any wires, and it's a handy size. It doesn't require internet or cell signal. This is one of the best portable fishing finders for kayak anglers looking at saving space with limited transducer options. It comes with a GPS, an important feature, maps, a fishing log, and a diary. This means that you can store all the information you want about the spots and routes you intend to paddle, so you can visit them again or even study them at home, all from your touchscreen smartphone. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Also, this fish finder is not the most lightweight device on the market, but for those looking for an affordable solution or a cheap fish finder, it's definitely worth considering. Number 3. Our third best pick is Venterior Portable Fish Finder. It offers great sensitivity and is the best cheap fish finder on our list. Yet it takes accuracy and detection to a whole other level, as it tells you whether the fish is small, medium, or large with the fish ID indicators. This kayak fish finder can be a good choice if you're looking for value at a great price or if you're just getting started. It features a wired transducer and an LCD display screen. It can be a good choice for kayak fishing as it will only work at slow speeds. This kayak fish finder features 5 different sensitivity levels, which range from seeing the small details of the bottom to ignoring smaller scenery. It also includes a battery-saving mode that can be turned on during the last half hour or so of fishing, extending your time on the water. It is a handheld fish finder that has a simple display and will alert you to the location of the fish, but not the size of the fish. Unlike more expensive fish finders, it will only detect fish that are larger than 4 inches in length. But it can be a good choice if you're thinking about how much space you have on your kayak. Battery life of up only to 5 hours isn't great. And one feature it doesn't have is GPS, so it may not be ideal for long distances. But this is a budget fish finder after all, and not one of the most sophisticated fish finders. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Humminbird 4102101 HELIX 5 CHIRP GPS G2 Fish Finder. If you're looking for a kayak fish finder for deep water, then this one could be a good choice as it has landscape orientation and detailed images with an excellent display size. It has a depth of up to 1,500 feet and a powerful 4,000-watt transducer. It also has the crucial feature of built-in GPS and works on dual frequencies with auto-tuning sonar settings and features that can let you monitor speed and mark waypoints. With the down imaging sonar, high-wide CHIRP sonar, auto-chart live, and Beam Plus sonar, you know what a high-quality fish finder is supposed to look like, with high-definition images showing both fish and structure in high resolution. This kayak fish finder benefits from having a micro SD card slot, so you can even put in your own personalized fishing maps or save your waypoint map. It also features a large 5-inch color display screen with an adjustable backlight for improved clarity in direct sunlight, and it's made by one of the best fish finder manufacturers. The negatives with this down imaging fish finder is that the transducer arm needs to be mounted close by your kayak, but because of its size and your limited mounting space, installation can be tricky for some other users. But it is more compact than the Humminbird HELIX 7. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is HawkEye Fishtrax Fish Finder. Featuring dual frequency sonar, this kayak fish finder can be a good choice for fishing in different depths of water up to 240 feet. It's super portable and can be handheld for convenience or mounted if you prefer. Another feature of this fish finder is that it has a clear color screen that can show you the water temperature as well as fish targets. It also benefits from a built-in flasher and a fish alarm that will alert you to the fish without you having to check, which can be helpful if you're a kayak angler. It benefits from an anti-glare screen for a better picture in super bright sunlight and displays fish data in classic flasher format. It can also display the bottom contour for lakes and rivers. It has dual beam sonar, which can give you more information than single beam, letting you capture more details of the underwater environment, including fish and structure. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.